Bag a Smile. So, what is Bag a Smile? It's an initiative that we came up with to help the children who live in the banks of River Yamuna. We visited this school called Pragati Wheels some time ago in New Delhi. It's run by an NGO for the children who live in the banks of River Yamuna. You know, these children, because of the education that they get, uplift the whole society around them, and we wanted to do something for these children. As I already told you, this month, April, is the Fashion Revolution month, and as a brand, as a fashion brand, we wanted to do something regarding the problem of landfill. So I thought, why not we do something to bring in smiles in these children while addressing the problem of landfill. And I've always wondered since my childhood, you know, seeing all these big fat Indian weddings, about what happens to all those things that they make exclusively for an Indian wedding. What happens to those things after the wedding? I have a friend, Mr. Balaji, who is a wedding planner. So I asked him, I had a chat with him and asked him, what do you do with all those things that you make for a wedding? Especially those beautiful, colorful printed flex banners that they install as backdrop, as hoardings, even for a corporate event. They use these flex banners everywhere. So Balaji told me that, you know, after a wedding, we just fold it and put it in our godown and we don't use it for anything else. Mostly these are just lying down in the godown and then they end up in the landfill. And I also spoke to Mr. Raman Khanna, who runs the Pragati Wheel School, and asked him if he would need some help, anything he needs. And he said he would want some backpacks for their children in the month of April. That's when the new batch of students come in. So I came up with this idea of creating backpacks for these children of Pragati Wheel School with those discarded flex banners. The flex banners that Balaji gave me had beautiful prints and they were so colorful, and we also collaborated with a bag maker, Mr. Guna. He made beautiful bags for us, and we created these fantastic bags for the children of Pragati Wheel School. I'm sure these bags will bring in big smiles on the face of those beautiful children.